Hello guys, welcome to another Make Money Online episode. If today is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Your presence here is very much appreciated. As stated in the title, today's video is going to be about the current UHRS vendors. During the past couple of months, UHRS has undergone some major changes, including the vendors they currently work with. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get straight into the video and find out if your favorite vendor is on the list. Coming in at number 1 is clickworker. UHRS is still going in strong with clickworker. Clickworker is still the number 1 vendor for most newbies and is also still one of the vendors that offers a wider range of hit apps for judges. Clickworker pays through Payoneer, PayPal, and SEPA bank transfers. You can start receiving your earnings 39 days after starting work on UHRS. The minimum amount needed for withdrawal is 5 euros for Payoneer and 10 euros for SEPA and PayPal transfers. PayPal and Payoneer payments are sent out every week, while SEPA bank transfers are sent out bi-weekly, that is every 2 weeks. At number 2 is oneforma. Oneforma is the second most preferred vendor after clickworker. Oneforma payments are processed monthly. Earnings are compiled from the 1st of every month to the last day of the month and are paid out between the 7th and the 12th of the following month. So for example, if you work from the 1st of August to the 31st of August, your earnings for the entire month of August will be paid between the 7th and the 12th of September. Oneforma payments are made via PayPal or Payoneer, and the minimum amount required for payouts is $10. Up next on the list is Toloka. Aside its own crowdsourcing tax, Toloka still provides UHRS tax, though they may be fewer than the numbers provided by clickworker and oneforma. Currently, Toloka pays out through Payoneer and Papara only. Papara is limited to the people who live in Turkey, so if you do not live in Turkey, Payoneer is your only option to receive payments on Toloka. Earnings made from UHRS on Toloka become available for withdrawal after 1 week, and the minimum amount required to request a withdrawal through Payoneer is $20. The fourth vendor on the list is Datavio, formerly known as Teamwork. Datavio pays monthly through Payoneer and PayPal. At the end of every month, an invoice will be sent to you via email to confirm your earnings and worked hours. The confirmation is completed within your account on the Datavio website and should be done within 48 hours in order to avoid payment delays. After confirmation, you should receive your payments within a couple of days. Last on the list is appen. UHRS is known as project.com on appen. UHRS invoices are processed monthly and paid via Payoneer within 30 days of receiving an invoice from you. To get paid by appen, you would have to provide an invoice through connect.appen.com, accounting for all the hours you personally worked on during the month. These are currently the only vendors working with Microsoft UHRS. TELUS International, Datamime, and Quadrant Resource no longer have partnerships with UHRS and hence do not serve as vendors for the platform anymore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to receive more videos on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.